We're pretty cats. Natalie's disappeared.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Anyway, look. Oh.
She's new.
Don't bounce around because it will make
No!
Should I give myself a cock? Hang on. Yeah, let's give myself a cock. Right, I'm going to try not to move the bed. Let's get some socks.
Would you like some Fanta? Tough shit, you can't have any.
He'll fit up. Right, I've got a sock. I don't really know how to arrange it, to be honest.
Sarah has a wee!
Is that enough?
Wee!
Wow!
Really, 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 really.
Really? I've got underwear underneath. Is that anyway? Oh shit.
Why?
Because I want them to sleep in.
That's disgusting, you're still wearing them.
Woo!
Willy, willy, willy.
Anyway,
Cause your house and your country, yes, and your... I've been to
we're really bored.
Lakeside
Connor
today.
just texted me saying he wants to know where we live, so we're a bit scared. We're not going to go see them.
Oh, we're not. No, because we're pussies. Cat.
We're pretty cats. Let's play some music. Can I play No Time Boring?
Kiss me. Does it Sarah's bunny? Or bear, whatever you call it. His name's Rupert.
No, it's not. It's called Sarah.
I named it Rupert. And
Hang on.
this is Clive. Clive. Clive's a rabbit.
I can't find Kiss Me.
And then this is Pilchard. Oh shit! I put the thingy over. This is Oopsie. This is Pilchard, the cat. He's like us. He's one of us.
I can't find Kiss Me. Oh, found it.
Let's go for a walk.
No.
Let's go for a walk. I mean, it's Az's room.
My room's paying. Look, Nat. I'm open. They didn't even look at me.
That's what's business.
Oh god, no, I've got holes.
Let's go see.
No, let's not go outside. Drag up the band, let the spotlight dance, silver moon
There's people.
sparkling.
Can you see them?
Oh, that's Olivia Fernandez's boyfriend, I think.
Is it?
Anyway, let's not spy, because that's a little bit weird. Look at my Porsche, isn't it fit? Hang on. Hang on, can you see? Can you see now? I can't actually tell. Woo! Anyway, yeah, let's just go in. It's Olivia and her boyfriend, I think. Woo! Anyway. Back to business. Oh shit. Oh shit!
Is her boyfriend paying?
I don't know. It's Olivia's boyfriend. I don't really see that. Oh, I bet it was a good. Right, should we go find whoever? Bye bye people!